Hey, welcome to Turner Truck and Tractor. We've got a treat for you today. We've got Mrs. Truck and Tractor. Hey, Mrs. Truck and Tractor.
Hi.
And this is her project that she bought with her money, and she's going to put it together. So, what'd you get?
Mini bike.
Well, tell us more about it.
Burromax pit bike.
And what are you going to do with it?
TT1600R is electric.
And what are you going to do with
I
it?
drive the neighbors crazy.
I like that. All right, well, let's get unboxing.
$30 minutes.
Okay, get going.
Attach the handlebars and wire.
Okay. Doing good, you got this. Minimum age 16. Oh, I'm sorry, you won't be able to ride it. Child ride. Yeah. Line me up a little bit. Pull it out. And just pull it forward on that. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. You're doing good. Hand me that little black plastic piece, if you'd be so kind. Right here.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, we're back. And we got the front wheel on, the brake on. And I'll show you what was giving me a little bit of trouble here was this little black plastic spacer that goes in between the two brake pads. So I was having trouble getting it on the rotor there. So of course, stick that thing out. And then on the mounts, what I did was just have them slightly loose, set the brake caliper in there, and then there's two screws right here, loosen them up, and it has just enough play to where you can center the caliper on the brake rotor there. Have somebody just gently pull the brake lever for you a couple of times and hold it, and then I went around everything and tightened it up so that way the brake caliper will be in line with the rotor there. they packaged the bike, they had a zip tie around the wheel and the frame holding it in the collapsed position, and that's how I would do it. But in the instructions, it talks about a bar that basically where the shock goes held it together. Well, that bar was never there, and so they were going to have you reuse a bolt. Well, I thought they didn't include the bolt since they didn't have the bracket, but in the kit there is the bolt, and actually it's hard to describe. It's a hollow bolt with another Allen screw that goes on the inside, I believe. You're going to see the maiden voyage of this thing. And Laura does have a helmet on order. It's just not here yet. But I like that headlight. And it did take us over 29 minutes to get it assembled. But we did quality work. Alright. Well, we've got it set it up in low, yeah, I believe. So
we're scared.
And it's at, oh, don't be scared. It's a bicycle with a motor on it. And here, let me show the folks. There you go. Oh, looks great. Ride it, yeah. Get ready to go. Go! Don't look at me, just go.
Don't record this part.
Okay, I won't record this part. Just take off, ride. You got it, go. Perfect. I've created a monster now. She may never come back. Actually, that bike was built pretty well. There's a few little things and extra parts that the instructions never mentioned that it went to. And it's on the low setting right now. I think it's quiet. You can just hear a little hum and a little bit of chain noise. All right, I think we're going to close it out here, but if you got any questions or comments, please place them below, and I and Mrs. Turner Truck and Tractor appreciate you watching. And we are going to have a little fun and take this out on the street here, and I'm going to walk or jog, and she's going to drive it and get familiar with it, and we're going to have some fun. So we appreciate your time, and thank you. Please like and subscribe. Take care.
Oh, yeah, I was only like... Is this the right way?
Well, you just aim it.
No, I mean the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.